Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis on Friday and been doing it on a very routine basis. And the chart is now sitting at a very, very interesting area, at least from a technical perspective. And it's always interesting how, charts don't work. Well, it's such a coincidence that going right into the election tomorrow, where all the voting takes place and all that, that the price is sitting at such a unique area. And with that, I want to just try to clean up the chart here and just really focus on. Oh, now I'm having second thoughts. Yeah, I'll leave that one up there, but just focus on a couple different areas. First area is just right up here at 13 cents. This was a level of resistance going into today, but now that the price has broken and closed above it, this is just a foundational rule in charting, which states resistances, when they're broken, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, what would make the chart look the healthiest? If the price can stay up above that 13-cent mark, that would certainly make the chart look the healthiest. If it doesn't, I'm not going to say that it's the end of the world or anything like that, because there is that pink line not that far below, which is the overall trend indicator, the 200 period simple moving average, which I've talked about in past videos, so I don't want to beat that dead horse or anything right now, especially given that the price is closed way up there. But again, 13 cents, not the end of the world if the price can't hold up above it, but you certainly do want to see the price stay above that pink line. Now, what is this very interesting area? Maybe if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, you've kind of already seen what I'm getting at. But this right here, purple line, is the 50 period simple moving average. And you can see, did quite a bit of battle with it this afternoon and couldn't quite close or get above it and close above it. But during the final 30 minutes, check out all that volume that came in. And now the price is sitting right here below it. So, and this is not some sort of like revolutionary discovery on my part. Like I said, if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, maybe you notice this. But a lot of people are going to be wondering, can the bulls push through this moving average right here? Can there be a bigger move that happens? So that is definitely the initial level of resistance going into tomorrow. In the event that price can push through it, I do want to map out one more potential area of resistance. And that next potential area of resistance up here at that point, which sits at 19 cents. So, before you start talking about 19 cents, you first got to cross another bridge, and that bridge is right there, 50 period simple moving average. So again, very interesting setup going into tomorrow. A lot of, political stuff going on. So tomorrow should be quite interesting to watch unfold. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.